Welcome back to High Five Garage. You saw in the last video we tried to get the bug running and drive it back. Well, kind of just decided easier this time, go out there, put it on a dolly. We're going out there anyway because we're going to get the bus, and we're trailering that one out for sure because it doesn't have a motor. So we're gonna head out there right now. Enjoy the video. We got my truck all loaded up with the dolly, and then we're gonna get Dad's truck loaded up with a friend's trailer, which, thank you, Cody. I appreciate it. One day I'll get my own trailer. All right, let's get on the road and go get some more VWs. So I don't know if it's a thing, but the crank bolt on my truck keeps coming loose. And literally loose enough to where I can notice it, but then it tightens right back up. I don't have enough of a torque wrench to torque it to, I think it's like 217 foot-pounds. So it just keeps coming loose. I know my crank pulley itself, like it wobbles. I think they deteriorate over time. It's just weird. All right, we have finally arrived. There was some complications, but we're here. The sun's a little bit lower, and hopefully that means cooler weather, so screw it. But we have arrived. It's a thing of beauty. What? The tires somehow still have air in them, which is amazing. I'm gonna fill them up a little bit more, but somehow they still have air in them. That one might have gone flat, but once we put it on the trailer, we're gonna fully air it out so that they're not gonna, go down while we're driving, and then we're gonna strap it. Another day, another Red Bull. So what we're gonna do, I already aired up the tires, and now we're gonna pull it out, which I actually forgot my strap. So let me get the strap. I guess Red Bull was more important. Got the strap, got the hitch adapter. Now we're gonna pull it out onto this nice, level surface so that it'd be a lot easier to go in the trailer. We unhooked the trailer, and then now let's do this. I'm driving a bus, driving a bus. Heck, we should just take it home like this. Woo! There's my Tacoma. I'm gonna swing this baby wide. Look at that. This thing probably hasn't moved in years. Okay. Okay. Hi, Tyrus. Hey, I gotta show you in every video, yes. And there's the bug, of course. But we'll be back in a second with the dolly to do that one. But look at that. Moved easy. I think the brakes actually worked pretty amazing, pretty amazing. Dad's backing up. We're gonna load up the motor that goes to it, the spare motor, and then hook back up the trailer, get it up there, get her winched onto that bad boy, and then start working on the bug on my truck. Okay, so, come on. We're grabbing that motor, which you saw in the other video. That bus motor probably went to that one, but he's throwing it in with the deal. Here. Yeah, we're good. All right? Okay, okay. Let's do it closer. Okay.
You're there.
Or we can put it straight. No, we're good. Are you sure? I don't know even want to lift it, dude. Here. I'll move it. There we go. Ready? Okay? Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Dude, I'm on some air. Let it fall off.
Ready?
Yep.
Nope. Wait. One more time. Oh, shit. I can't get it. All right. Now. Oh,
We're caught on something. There we go. Okay. Every time you try and grab it. You okay?
Okay.
And that's how you load a motor. You slide it on a fridge. Now, hook the trailer back up. And that is how you hand load a bus. No winch needed. Cheap.
That's good.
Cool.
We need more weight on the tongue.
Look at that frame. Sup? Gold mine. I'm just joking. Cool. It's up on there. Now strap it in, get the bug loaded, get some, go look around, call it a day. All right, we aired all the tires down on the bus, strapped it in, so that one's ready to go really quick. Throw the bug on the dolly, hook it up, and then we're done. As you can see, it is dark, but we are all loaded up. My dad's got the bus, I've got the bug. We're taking it slow, and we're gonna see how this goes. So far, so good. We are still driving back. Hopefully I don't jinx myself, but we are almost back in town. We got street lights and lights, so that means we are back in town. Still got probably a 20-minute drive, but we're almost home. We have made it home. Let's get these things off the truck. All right, we are home. We got the bug unloaded. It was actually falling off as we pulled up, but she is unloaded. Now time to put the bus in the back. As you can see, the bus is home. We're gonna unload it tomorrow and then eventually start, you know, digging into it. So, but everything went swimmingly. Yeah, I couldn't have asked for a better trip back. I expected the worst. So, hey, Thank you for watching this. I am exhausted. Hope you guys enjoy this content because there's plenty more of it coming. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Volkswagens. Thank you for watching. Have a good night. High five out.